These are carabinieris. These are Italian policemen. Look at these uniforms. You know who designed them? Armani. Yep, Giorgio Armani. Look at the details. The ropes, the belts, the gloves, the epaulets. Amazing. And they're wearing capes. Capes! Who wears capes anymore, right? And not to mention, they're driving an Alfa Romeo. Who wants to go to Italy? This is Rome, Italy. It is a beautiful, gorgeous city. This is where I was born. Look, to your right, we have the famous Fontana di Trevi, the Trevi Fountain, where the famous movie La Dolce Vita was shot by Federico Fellini, with the beautiful Anita Ekberg and the gorgeous Marcello Mastroianni. This movie is really a classic. It's a must-see. There's so much style and panache and beauty and fashion. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. Of course, we have the Colosseum, right? Everybody's familiar with that. This, by the way, is a real car. It's not a toy. That's a Fiat 500, the 500. There's so much history, so much to see in Italy. If you haven't been to Italy, to Rome yet, I highly recommend it. Put it on your to-do list.